The Holy Smokes barbecue rig is rolling out. Let me tell y'all something. Damn, does she look good. So let's check it out. Now, this is my man Justin's rig. This ain't his first TMG, by the way. He's had one before, but he was ready to upgrade, get a big dog. So what we got here, TMG 500-gallon offset on the custom in-house built trailer package, guys. So let's get into it. First off, on our trailers, we design our trailers, build them in-house, powder coat them in-house, all right? We built a hell of a trailer. This is our standard 500 package here. Besides, it's got the spare tire added. You'll see when we get around the backside, got a lot of spare storage back there. Now on the pit, we got our 500-gallon pit. He did get some slick custom paint on this rig here. We got a nice metallic orange paint job on there. Looks great, really pops in the sun. Let me tell y'all something. You pull up with this bad boy, people from across the damn street will be coming over to check it out, all right? Inside here, we got 3 grates on the bottom, 2 sliding top racks. So you got a lot of cook room in this rig, and y'all know the deal. We don't charge extra for the top racks here at TMG, all right? Those are included with every tank smoker, as well as the fold down stack. That is a standard feature here at TMG on the tank smoker. And then on the 500, the counterweights come with it as well. TMG pits, tell truth thermometers, of course. Now on the trailer, he did add our stainless steel fender toppers. Come right here to the firebox, he got that custom logo on there. We powder coated that bad boy black. Really pop off on that orange. We'll open up the firebox here. Fully insulated firebox, guys. That's the only way we do a tank smoker. We got a 3/8 thick pipe in here, wrapped with insulation. Doors insulated, front is insulated as well. Holds heat great, makes the pit run like a dream. On the back side here, you'll see all that storage I was talking about. Plenty of room for all your firewood, coolers, folding tables. Throw your brother and sister in there as well. A lot of room, spare tire up front. This is a slick setup here, guys. Going on my man Justin. We appreciate you. Guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.